Hello folks, welcome back to week 4 of the Sci-Nib channel. I'm here with the most recent scientific updates and an intriguing question for this week. Let's get going. This week I got an interesting question for you. Do you know how chameleons change colors? Give it some thought. We'll get back to the answer at the end of the video. Now let's go to this week update. We know that the ophthalmologists look at our eyes and predicts eye problems. However, a group of scientists recently discovered that imaging eyes with a special imaging technique known as optical coherence tomography provides significantly more information about patients' disease risk. The retina, the eye's inner layer, perceives light, sends it to the brain, allowing to visualize the object. The retina is made of various layers of cells. Scientists have discovered that the difference in the thickness of this retinal layer could be used to predict the development of cardiac and lung disease as well as mental disorders. Number 2. Plastic is a significant threat to the environment and society. About two-thirds of the plastic waste is dumped or incinerated with only 10% recycled. Europe generates 26 million tons of plastic waste each year. Approximately 50% of Europe's recyclable waste is transported to countries such as Vietnam, Indonesia, Philippines, and Thailand. This study followed a plastic scrap site in Minh Khai village, Vietnam, which processes 500 to 600 tons of plastic waste per day. Only 33% of the imported plastic scrap is recycled here. The vast majority is either dumped in landfills or incinerated, polluting the environment elsewhere. Though plastic recycling is the best option for the environment, we are still far from the reality. So folks, think twice before you buy any plastic products. Opt for eco-friendly alternatives. Number 3. King of the jungle, lion, conceal themselves and strike their prey at the appropriate time. A team of researchers discovered that in the East African wildlife area, they use the acacia tree to hide from their prey such as zebra. A good foliage cover is necessary for hiding. A specific type of ant is known to defend the tree against the plant-eating animals. However, this interconnected ecosystem is being harmed by an invasive ant species that has replaced the beneficial ants that protects the trees. The lion's hunting tactics are affected by the loss of foliage that is consumed by the plant eaters. The team is now curious to learn about the lion's alternative hunting strategy for dealing with the situation. Let's see how King of Jungle going to respond to the situation. Number 4. Some proteins act as a mechanic in our cells, repairing damaged DNA. It becomes mutated, which causes cancer. A recent study discovered that sending instruction to manufacture an intact DNA repairing protein mechanic can kill ovarian cancer cells and prevent metastasis. They use mRNA-based therapies similar to the COVID vaccine. This strategy yielded promising results in the animal models. The team intended to investigate its effect on humans in the future. Getting back to this week's question. Chameleon skin contains special cells that reflect lights based on the chameleon's mood. For example, when chameleons are excited or angry, they stretch their skin, causing it to reflect longer wavelength of light, resulting in a bright skin tone. When they are relaxed, however, they reflect shorter wavelength of light, resulting in a blue color. Interestingly, this color-changing feature, also known as cryptic coloration, is found primarily in males. This feature not only reflects their moods but also attracts females while scaring away other males. So folks, what's your cryptic color right now? I hope this week video helped you to learn about the latest scientific discoveries. Subscribe to the channel to get the most recent updates. I'll see you back next week with more scientific discoveries. Until then, bye and take care.